Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to connect Mailchimp to your WordPress website. First, log into your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to the Plugins section on the left-hand menu. Click Add New and search for Mailchimp for WordPress, or MC4WP. Install and activate this plugin, which is used by over 1 million websites. This essential first step sets up the bridge between your site and Mailchimp. Next, you'll need your Mailchimp API key. Log into your Mailchimp account. From your profile icon, go to Account and Billing, then Extras, and select API keys. If you don't have one, click Create a Key. Copy this long string of letters and numbers. This key acts as a secure password, allowing your WordPress site to communicate directly with your Mailchimp account, ensuring a seamless connection. Now head back to your WordPress dashboard. Find the Mailchimp for WP or MC4WP menu item, usually under Settings or its own dedicated section. Click on it and locate the field for the API key. Paste the API key you just copied from Mailchimp into this box. Hit Save Changes. The plugin should now show a successful connection, confirming that your WordPress site is linked to your Mailchimp audience. Finally, let's create a sign-up form. Within the Mailchimp for WordPress plugin settings, navigate to Forms. You can design a simple form with fields like email address and name. Select the Mailchimp audience list where new subscribers will be added. Once your form is ready, you can embed it on any page or post using a shortcode, or add it to your sidebar using a widget. This allows visitors to easily join your mailing list.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.